Step 1. Skim the passage. You can do this by reading the first sentence of each paragraph. Paragraph 1. Monarchy is a form of government where a single ruler is the head of state. Paragraph 2. Hereditary monarchy is the most common style of succession. Paragraph 3. Over the centuries, most European countries were ruled by monarchs. Paragraph 4. In the 17th century, England became a constitutional monarchy. Paragraph 5. The Russian Empire was an absolute monarchy in Europe. Skimming gives you a general idea of what the passage is about. After skimming, you're now ready to look at the questions. Step 2. Scan the passage. Question 1. According to the passage, hereditary monarchy is... So now, before we look at the answers, let's find the key words in the passage. We're going to look for hereditary monarchy. And here we find it in paragraph 2. Now, read the sentence. Hereditary monarchy is the most common style of succession. Let's see if any of these answers resemble what we've just read. A form of absolute monarchy. No, it doesn't say that. B, a figurehead position. It doesn't say that. C, the most common style of succession. Yes, this is exactly what it says in the sentence. Question 2. According to paragraph 4, all the following are true about King Charles I except. This is an except question. That means 3 of the answers will have the information in the paragraph, and 1 of the answers will not have the information anywhere. Okay, so let's look for the things we have to look for. We have to look for paragraph 4 and King Charles I. So let's scan real quickly so we can find paragraph 4, and in paragraph 4 we can find King Charles I. Now let's read the potential answers. A. He signed an agreement that limited his power. Yes, we can see that that is mentioned in the paragraph. He signed an agreement. B. He tried to rule with absolute power. Yes, that is also mentioned in the paragraph. He tried to rule with absolute power. C. He was loved by the people he ruled over. This is not mentioned. However, let's read D just to confirm that C is the correct answer. He was beheaded for treason. Yes, this is also mentioned in the paragraph. He was beheaded for treason. Therefore, C is the only answer that is not mentioned in the paragraph. Therefore, this is the correct answer. Question 3. The passage infers a constitutional monarchy. So this is an infers question. So that means you have to understand the meaning that is presented. It will not be worded exactly the same as one of the answers that is given. So let's find the constitutional monarchy, and we find that in paragraph 4. So let's read the answers and see if it coincides with this. A. Began under King Charles I. Well, this means that King Charles I would have started it, but this is not the case. He did not start it. B. The king can raise taxes. No, it actually says the opposite. It says he had to go through English Parliament to exact new taxes. C. Gives the king absolute power. Well, it says he tried to rule with absolute power, but it did not give him absolute power. And then D. Limits the power of the king. Yes, this is what it means. It means that he had to go through Parliament, so that means he could not do anything without the permission of Parliament, so this would limit his power. So this would be the correct answer. So let's review. What are skimming and scanning? Step 1. We skim by reading the first sentence of each paragraph. We do this to get a general idea of what the passage is about. Step 2. We scan the passage for keywords from the question. This helps us to locate details.